एकदम बेकार सा है।
Business was started way back in 1937 by my father and his elder brother. It's a very old shop. Since we are into this line. Why we started, I mean, like, they must have thought of, like, starting some business and they must have thought of this idea. And originally we are from Bikaner. So that is the, like,
Right. And how do you manage, how do you maintain this shop? और आप जो भी एरिया में जितनी भी चीज़ आप इनसे कैसे कॉम्पीट कर सकते हैं?
Basically in this market, ours is one Bengali sweet house, which is our family. There are 3 shops. Like initially, all used to be one big shop. Now since my brother, my father, and his brothers, there were 3 brothers. So now we have 3 units, and across the road is W Sweets.
Right.
So basically, we had this competition with them. So rather, I won't say a competition. Rather, it's very healthy when you have 2 people across the road. Nothing. I mean,
So it pushes you to keep the best of the quality. Right. Any other questions, guys?
It's a very old, very traditional. So people still want to come here and eat.
And I noticed one thing. You guys have donuts, but it's not on your menu. So is this new thing like you guys are trying cakes and donuts also?
The bakery has been there since almost 30 years now.
But it's not in the menu. That's why.
The restaurant menu mein nahi diya because this is the entire side is not on the menu.
Okay.
When you're sitting in a restaurant, we don't have to write we are serving sandwiches or
lunch वगैरह
cookies and all.
Okay.
So we don't want to confuse with the very big menu.
Also, like, what is your thing? Like, you generate more through online marketing or offline? Like,
Offline.
Not offline.
offline.
So in several years of experience, you encountered any problems with regards to running this business?
There can be miscellaneous things which is a part of the game. Nothing major.
And how would you segregate? Like how much is the dine-in part and how much is the sweets part? Any
Just keep on changing, depend. I mean, during festival time, this side
Yes.
suits up. Otherwise, the restaurant, they're all more or less they are parallel.
If you had to guide someone, like your future generation, how to expand and transfer your knowledge to them, what would be the key advice you would give them on your shop?
I mean, end of the day, it's the quality which matters. So one has to maintain the quality. With quality, there are a lot of things. I mean, if you're opening a retail, the service is there, the atmosphere, everything. So, but at the end of the day, it's the taste and the quality has to be persistent.
Current generation all follow Google reviews, who have not visited your shop, who are not grandfathered into your shop. So Google reviews becomes a big part in your new audience. How do you market to the new audience?
There are we have there's a company who's taking care of our
You do active digital marketing and promote.
That's important. These days one has to be with time.
Yes.
So
already adapting with the new technologies.
Other than the quality aspect, what are the things that you try to maintain to retain your customers?
Quality has service. I mean, that's what I told you. The service has to be the food, quality. सबसे पहले है. If service is not good, maybe you will don't want to visit me again.
Yes.
So it's a combination of a lot of things.
And there would be so many customers that would be coming from past.
Coming since generations. There's a girl who used to study in a college. Now she's coming with her daughter, and she said, "I used to come with my parents." So it's a generation people are coming to.
So
That's a nostalgic feeling they have,
Attachment.
Yes.
Is there anything you would like to change or you want to introduce to your market?
Not really. I mean, there are a lot of changes in last so many years. Earlier, it all started with just the sweet shop. Then it started with high street, snacks. Then we went into North Indian, Chinese. So we have moved on.
Slowly you have expanded
we have to see the
the
market.
Yes.
the customer
So you
demands.
keep trying regularly.
Yes,
But
that's important.
Yes.
So would you mind telling what are the peak hours or when there is no rush or low rush?
Peak hours basically like, ours is all day. Yeah. So basically we start around 8 in the morning, but around 9:30, 10 the inflow starts. And peak hours are during lunch and dinner time. But it's not something like, it's not a fine dining restaurant where you have absolutely dead time. So it's a continuous thing. We have customers like all day.
Okay.
Yes, one more question. Like how Srimita and all those brands have become multi-locational brands.
What brand?
Srimita.
Srimita.
Srimita in south side. I'm from south. That's why I have this dish.
Alright.
The chole bhature all we get from north dishes, especially Bengali dishes or any milk-based dishes we have introduced through Srimita. If one has to crack from this stage to go into multi-franchise location, what does one do? Do you plan on going and becoming a brand with multiple franchises?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we are working on that. The franchising module and the expansion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
How many franchises do you have right now?
We don't have anything. We are only here in Bengali market.
Okay.
But
Are you
of course-
planning?
But yeah, of course we are planning. We are trying to create a module where we can franchise and do open some more expansion.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था, अगर आप अभी एक वापस स्टार्टिंग से ये बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करना चाहो, अगर अभी आप एक नया बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करना चाहो तो आप उसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस करोगे या फिर आप जैसा कर रहे थे वैसे ही करोगे?
Come again?
वापस से अगर आप नया बिज़नेस स्टार्ट करना चाहो सेम ऐसा ही बिज़नेस, तो आप उसमें कुछ चेंजेस करना चाहोगे या फिर आप कैसा करोगे?
I think that should be good.
Thank you so much.
फोटोज भी लेनी है.
Business was started way back in 1937 by my father and his elder brother. It's a very old shop. Since then we are into this line. Why we started, I mean, they must have thought of starting some business and they must have thought of this idea. And originally we are from Bikaner. So that is the
Right. And how do you manage? How do you maintain this shop? और आप जो भी एरिया में जितने भी फैक्ट्रीज हैं उनसे कैसे? सर हमें एक्चुअली ये जानना था कि आपने ये शॉप जो है इसका मतलब क्या हिस्ट्री क्या है, आपने कैसे चालू किया, अभी आप इसको चलाते कैसे हैं?
चालू तो फोर फादर्स ने किए हैं एंड दे स्टार्टेड इन 1937 व्हाट दे टोल्ड मी. चलाने की बात तो ये है एक्सपीरियंस होता चला जाता है, आप चीज़ों को समझते चले जाते हैं और व्यापार करते चले जाते हैं. मैंने जो ज्वाइन दी नॉक, देखिए 2 things आर देयर, थ्योरी एंड प्रैक्टिकल. Today you are doing practical, theory. When you enter the practical, you start doing something. Then you know how to do. But initially जब आप 5-6 साल हो जाएंगे आप समझ जाएंगे कैसे करना है. How to maintain the quality, how to do everything.
यहाँ पे तो जितने भी तीनों शॉप है जैसे बंगाली
Cousins है,
तो आप सब भाई हैं?
cousins है.
तो जैसे कि ये सारे स्वीट आइटम्स है, ये कभी जल्दी भी खराब हो जाते हैं, तो आप इसको वो कैसे करते हैं? मतलब इन्वेंट्री जिसका भी मैनेजमेंट करना रहता है कि कोई चीज़ जल्दी
टमाटर बनाते हैं. मुझे 45 ईयर्स हो गए बैठते हुए. आई नो मेरी मिठाई कौन कितना बिकेगी कितनी नहीं बिकेगी. कम बनाते हैं. वी नो द सीजन, अभी सीजन कम है, कम बना रहे हैं. खराब नहीं होनी चाहिए, बिकने नहीं चाहिए. कम है, ग्राहक कल सुबह आ जाएगा, जल्दी बना देंगे. उस पर एक रूटीन लाते हैं.
और फेस्टिवल
फेस्टिवल्स में डिपेंड है, वी हैव टू गो अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑर्डर्स. ऑर्डर्स हैं ज़्यादा बनती है, ऑर्डर्स नहीं है तो भी नो डिटेल क्या होती है क्या नहीं होती.
तो फिर इससे आपका ऑनलाइन भी प्रेजेंस है क्या, कि जिससे आपको ऑर्डर वगैरह लेने में आसानी?
ऑनलाइन भी है, जोमेटो पे भी है और हमारी वेबसाइट है, उस पर जाके लोग ऑर्डर करते हैं.
तो आप इतने सालों से ये शॉप चला रहे हैं, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि इसमें सबसे बड़ा खर्चा जो आपको लगता है वो क्या है, मतलब जिससे आपको बहुत केयरफुली देखना पड़ता है?
एवरीथिंग इज आप प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं, अगर आप यू आर नॉट इन द मार्केट, यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ द मार्केट, तो आपको 100 रुपये चीज को 150 रुपये में बेच देगा। यू नो द एंड रिगार्डिंग दी एवरीथिंग, बिजली भी कम जलनी चाहिए। उसका ये है जब कस्टमर कम है एसी कम चलाए जाते हैं, लाइट कम करी जाती है, काम कम है तो स्टाफ कम किया जाता है, काम ज़्यादा है तो स्टाफ ज़्यादा होता है।
Staffs are seasonal or there are mix
Routine
of?
में है, फिक्स्ड है,
Okay.
सीजनल में तो बढ़ाई जाते हैं।
Temporary staff मिलता है? Okay.
टेम्परेरी कहाँ नहीं मिलता,
Okay.
यू गेट टेम्परेरी कार, यू गेट टेम्परेरी एवरीथिंग, टेम्परेरी स्टाफ।
Okay.
तो आपके जैसे शॉप में मैं देख सकता हूँ बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, तो आपके कस्टमर का सबसे फेवरेट चीज़ क्या है, आपकी दुकान की सबसे स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट क्या है जिससे कस्टमर पसंद करते ही है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जी, मैंने बताया था अभी कि सर्दी है तो गर्म चीज़ें बिकती है, गर्मी है तो ठंडी चीज़ें बिकती हैं। आज मेरी लस्सी बिकती है 50 कप, सर्दी बिकती है 2 कप। आज चाय बिकती है मेरी 2 कप, सर्दी बिकती है 50 कप। हम जो भी चीज़ बनाते हैं उसमें नेचुरल होता है, उसमें देखते हैं माल कैसा है कैसा नहीं है। अब किसी को मिर्ची तेज़ खानी है, हम मिर्ची कम डाल रहे हैं, कहेगा ये आपकी सामान प्रोडक्ट बेकार है। तो ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपको कैसे प्रोडक्ट डालना है, कैसे बनाना है, क्या चीज़ है, उसको कैसे मेंटेन करना है। और इस ट्रेड में यू कैन नॉट सेटिस्फाइड एवरी कस्टमर। किसी को मिर्ची तेज चाहिए, किसी को तेज मिलना चाहिए, किसी को तेज गर्म चाहिए, किसी को मीडियम गर्म चाहिए। अब एक लेडी आई, आज सांभर में नमक ज़्यादा है, मैंने पिया नमक ठीक था, नमक ठीक था। अब वो नमक कम खाती होंगी, उनको नमक तेज लगा, उन्होंने कह दिया